So, hello everybody, my name is Reyansh, and today I want to share a short story of mine, how my dream come true of going abroad to going to Canada. So, after my plus 2 was finished, I always had a dream of going abroad, going to Canada especially. But what the actual thing was that we had some shortage of funds. A very close friend of my mom recommended us, guided us to come to CRA Center of Learning IELTS. We came to these people, they guided us in a proper way. These people applied 10 lakh rupees loan for us and successfully we got it. Here is the receipt. And after we got our loan, we applied for the file in Montreal in Quebec for a government college named as Marie Victorian. My program is of 2 years, accounting and management. And successfully I got my visa within 3 months. Just within 3 months, where people are waiting for 1 year or half a year, these people were successfully able to provide my visa within 3 months. So I would recommend every person, anybody who want to learn IELTS or who want to go to abroad, come to these people. These people are located in Amritsar itself, just in front of Uppal Hospital. These people are very professional, polite and good at their work. Thank you.